Hello students, I am going to talk about a very important topic today. This is a character sketch of Boxer of Animal Farm by George Orwell. Boxer is a major character of Animal Farm by George Orwell, a great novelist of the modern age. Boxer is a horse of Animal Farm. He is a hard worker. Boxer represents the hard working proletariat of Soviet Russia. He stands for the working class who toil and moil for the prosperity of the nation and the country. He also represents those who build up factories, industries, who help a rapid industrialization in the world. Boxer has many characters. He has many strengths and shortcomings which are discussed as below. Boxer is a hard working character. He keeps on working day and night for the farm, for the good of Animal Farm. He has two important slogans. What are these two slogans? Number one, Napoleon is always right. Number two, he will work harder and harder. Napoleon has a strength equal to 2 horses. He is the most strong animal of the Animal Farm. He works equal to 2 horses put together. Boxer fights 2 important battles heroically. Number one, he fights the battle of the Cossack very boldly. Number two, he fights the battle of Windmill. Boxer makes the windmill again and again when it gets damaged. One day, Mr. Jones plant a bomb in the windmill, and the windmill blows off due to the planting of bomb, and Boxer is injured in the leg. However, he goes on working harder and harder for the growth, development and prosperity of animal farm. He works days and night. No animal is as hard working as boxer. Benjamin is a cynical donkey who always accompanies boxer in his work, in his hard work. These are the plus points, these are the strengths in the character of boxer. Boxer has some weaknesses also. What are these weaknesses, defects? Boxer is a slow learner. He is industrious, laborious, hard working, but he is not a good learner. He learns only 4 alphabets out of 26, A, B, C and D. And he thinks that he will learn rest of the letters after his retirement. It is to be mentioned here that a horse gets retirement after 12 years. Now, windmill collapses one day and boxer is injured. So, Napoleon sends boxer for his treatment to a hospital, but as a matter of fact, he sends him to a slaughterhouse to be butchered, to be killed. And this is because when a fight surfaces between Napoleon and Snowball, boxer favors Snowball because his cause is genuine. He is a genuine leader of the animal farm. Another reason for his killing is that Napoleon thinks that sick workers, ill laborers have to die. They will not be allowed to live because they will be burden upon the animal farm. Thus we find that boxer is one of the important characters of animal farm. He represents the working class. He is a very strong animal, but he is a slow learner. He is weak at mental work. I think students must have got sufficient ideas about the character of boxer. Thank you very much.